So right now we're going to talk about how to use function notation. You may have never seen function notation before. It looks like this, which looks pretty similar to regular, how we write a function regularly. The only difference is we got this f of x thing. And we read that f of x. It's got parentheses around the x, but that's how we read it. The f of x is really just a y. It's a fancy way to use a y instead. So what we're going to do is, we like to use function notation when we're substituting values in for a variable. So notice here it says, what's the value of f when x equals negative 2 of f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. So what we're going to do here is we're actually going to, whenever we see an x, we're going to plug in a negative 2. So f of, there's an x, so I'm going to plug in negative 2 equals x, negative 2 squared minus 2, and then here comes a x, so we're going to put negative 2 plus 1. So whenever I saw an x in this problem, I just wrote a negative 2. So I'm going to keep this alone, f of negative 2, because what that's telling us is I plugged in a negative 2. That's not saying f times negative 2. That's telling everybody we plugged in a negative 2 for x. Okay, so I've got negative 2 squared, which is 4, because negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And then negative 2 times negative 2 again, that's a positive 4, and then plus 1. So f of negative 2 is 9. You can also write that answer as an ordered pair. So what did we plug in? We plugged in negative 2. We got out positive 9. So negative 2, positive 9 is a value of this function when x equals negative 2. Hopefully that clears up function notation.